announcement reminding passengers to keep a watchful eye on their luggage and personal belongings at all times.
Well, after we were so rudely interrupted Monday by a Category 2 hurricane in the middle of the Midwest, I didn't see that coming. While there was no power, UPS showed up with a couple boxes, which I wasn't expecting. I figured they'd be delayed a week at least, but UPS and FedEx got them both here. So let's enjoy ourselves a little now and open some up. See what's going on, see what we got. Can't find a knife, of course. That's heavy. Well, let's give it a once over look. A little bit of bent up shit there. Not bad. Not nearly as bad as the one I got with the chassis. I didn't pay a lot for this. Definitely gonna leak there. But actually it didn't look too bad. Nothing a radiator shop couldn't fix. Something's in there. I don't know what that's all about. So yeah, good starting material. What the hell is that? Some Guberdon solder. Nice radiator cap. Yeah, good start. We'll see what happens. Alright, box number 2. I snuck a look into this one in between gas runs for the generator. I don't know. I'm going to turn this so I can see what we're looking at. 1915 Buick. I like the looks of them. They go on a U-shaped stand, which I'll have to construct. Comes down like this, then it has one that goes down and then bolts to the frame. But yeah, I like that. Take a look at the other one. See if they're both in good condition. I wanted some of them that kind of look like coffee cans. But when I saw these, I kind of fell in love with them. So, oh yeah, glass is good. I mean, the chrome's seen better days, but we'll figure something out. I'm thinking you just push on that and something comes apart. I'm not sure. I'll do it later when I'm not holding them over concrete. See, I've got little set screws right there. In there. Some kind of dedicated plug-in thing. Yeah. Those are going to look nice. Okay, I think today we're gonna do is see how far we can get with putting this oil pan cover back on. This right here. Yeah. Goes under like that. Now I've got it painted and I just got done cleaning up the bolts. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 bolts. How many do we got here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. How many did I say? I'll have to look at the tape. Let's just see. I'm trying to figure out why some of these are one height and other ones are a different height. And I can't really come up with any plausible explanation except for the same reason that part of the lock washers are missing, because when this was taken apart at one time they just shoved in whatever they had. So we got and these things here are what they screw into. Like there's a little bit of dirt in those, of course. Boy, this has got to come up just a little bit. There we go. So we'll make sure that these are clean. One. This is the back one. I'm gonna have to count these again. Okay, we've got the right amount of bolts. Maybe I think the easiest way figure out how many of these lock washers we're going to need. That's got one, that's got one. Well, I found enough lock washers, found all the bolts, so I'm going to glue this gasket on there. Let's see. I don't think there's an up or a down to it. I'm gonna hope not. And I don't know what I did with the gasket stuff. Are you kidding me? Oh, there it is. Alright. Put it on there so we don't scratch the paint any more than usual. Lay that there. Bring this down. Boy, there is no good way to do this. Absolutely not. I can see this is a four-hand job. Oh man, I can't believe I got that in there. Oh, is it in there? I think I needed some persuasion. Oh, I got this black shit all over my hands. Oh, yes. Hell is a thing. I don't enjoy this part a whole lot. don't know what that's all about. Okay, there's what she looks like from the inside. That's passable. We got some good oozage. As long as you get good oozage, you're good. It's got to ooze out there and keep that oil in, and you know, make up for your actual mistakes that you make. All right. Okay. Yeah, gasoline gets that Permatex off pretty good. You know, if you're a smoker, you might want to wait 5 or 10 minutes before you light one up. But it works.